So you were just saying that you felt like y- y- what? Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's see. I don't know. This might be awkward.
Reinforcing that idea. Oh, this one's just not as important.
You were just saying that you felt like. Oh, jeez. Oh, no, no. Wait. Redo. A. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, jeez.
As important.
So, am I? You were just saying that you felt. Okay. You were just. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, let's mute this or disable it. Okay, let's. Oh my god, my posture. I need to watch out for my posture because I have bad posture when I do computer work. Okay. Like, like it was a secondary. Music and the arts was secondary importance in no matter what country you're in. Is that what you meant to say, or?
I mean, I've only taught pulling them out of the elective classes.
Yeah.
And maybe that's also like reinforcing that idea, the elective classes.
Yeah.
And maybe that's also like reinforcing that idea. Oh, this one's just not as important.
You were just saying that you felt like. Okay.
Only taught
Save.
I've only taught music
So this was good.
all to go to school. This is the reason why they're excited. They're like, yes, like other than seeing their friends, of course, yeah. But if there's subjects that they're excited about, it's those. It's the ones where they get to move around and make the noise and
Yeah.
whatnot.
I actually just remembered what I was thinking of earlier. Okay, so it's about music and art's importance in society. And we just talked about how, it was deemed kind of like an elective, secondary, auxiliary to, if maybe like an Asian student wanted to be like an engineer or a doctor or whatever. And so I also feel that it's because, at least in my perception, that STEM has such a huge importance in the eyes of administration or just or just people in society, decision makers in city councils, because they need people in the future to build these bridges or to make this innovative technology. And it's not very often that they view the arts and other humanities importance to kind of healing the minds and hearts of people, and I think it's very important. um
It's not recognizing
yeah.
that the holistic self of the individual. It's just like the parts that are
Okay.
even though they're supposed to incorporate the arts into that now.
Yeah. And I gotta burp. So yeah, going back to uh okay, so I'm definitely taking that out. Maybe administrators or. So yeah, going back to. So yeah. Oh geez. I definitely have to take this out, and then I think I'm going to call it a night. It's a good thing I saw
To say
this.
STEM,
Mm-hmm.
even though they're supposed to incorporate the arts into that now.
Yeah. And oh, I got a burp. So yeah, go.
To that now.
Jeez. Oh man, it's kind of embarrassing to edit that out live on a stream. Um, any other kind of decision makers having that emphasis of STEM rather than STEAM, it kind of like forces a commodification of students being future workers to work in STEM, and that it devalues the importance of art. And so then what happens is over time, uh, parents, as we mentioned earlier, have to allocate their time, funding, and resources to how much they're willing to give um, Johnny or whoever lessons, or how much time they want to invest, time and money they want to allow their child to invest in that instrument. And so then you get them to a point, then it gets to a point where if they are able to take a class or get lessons, the parent wants to know, like, it's down to the pocketbook and their time and resources, like, okay, are they talented? Then let's keep doing this. Are they not? Then they'll just do soccer only, whatever. So, and it raises the ultimate age old question of, is my child talented? So I would like to know. I've asked three other people on this podcast. Okay. So I mentioned this earlier, and I think I should take it out because just to skim down the time. So I have to go back to the earlier part and take it out because I ask it here. And then I say, "Oh, but we'll just talk about it later." So yeah, it's like redundant. Okay, but anyways, and that it devalues the importance of art.